So Google Chrome just got one of its biggest AI upgrades yet. Gemini is no longer just a separate assistant. It now lives directly inside Chrome with a new side panel, image tools, deeper connections to Google Apps, and an auto browse feature that can complete multi-step tasks for you. Chrome can help fill out forms, research products, plan trips, and even assist with shopping. And that raises a simple question. Are we still using a browser, or are we starting to use an AI agent that browses the web for us? So hit that like button, subscribe, and let's take a quick look at what Google is changing inside Chrome. Let's start with Gemini and Chrome. One of the biggest changes is the new persistent side panel. Instead of opening Gemini in a separate floating window, you can keep it beside the web page you're already using. That means you can continue browsing while asking questions, comparing information across tabs, summarizing pages, or getting help with your research. Google says the experience is built on Gemini 3, and the idea is to make AI feel like a natural part of browsing instead of another app you have to keep opening. But the more interesting feature is auto browse. This is where Chrome starts moving beyond answering questions and begins taking action for you. Auto browse is designed to handle multi-step tasks like filling out forms, booking appointments, comparing information across websites, researching travel options, managing subscriptions, or helping you shop online. For example, you could ask Chrome to compare hotel and flight prices for different dates, or find a certain product and add it to your cart. The feature is currently being introduced in preview for Google AI Pro and Ultra subscribers in the United States, so it isn't available to everyone yet. Still, it shows where Chrome is heading, from a browser you control manually to an assistant that can handle part of the work for you. Shopping is also becoming part of this bigger AI push. Chrome is set to support Google's Universal Commerce Protocol, or UCP. You don't need to know the technical details. In simple terms, UCP is an open standard designed to help AI agents communicate with online stores and complete shopping tasks in a more consistent way. Google developed it with companies including Shopify, Etsy, Wayfair, and Target. The goal is to make it easier for AI assistants and businesses to work together, from finding products to moving toward checkout. Another useful addition is Nano Banana directly inside Chrome. This brings Google's image generation and editing tools into the browser itself. Instead of downloading an image, opening another app, editing it, and uploading it again, you can ask Gemini in the Chrome side panel to transform the image while you're browsing. You might use it to redesign a room in a photo, turn information from a web page into an infographic, or make quick visual changes without leaving the page. It's a good example of how Chrome is moving from a place where you only view content to a place where you can also create and edit it. Then there's personal intelligence. Google is connecting Gemini more deeply with services like Gmail, Calendar, YouTube, Maps, Shopping, Flights, and Google Photos. If you choose to connect these apps, Gemini can use more personal context to give you answers that are more relevant to you. So instead of giving a generic suggestion, it can use information from your connected Google services to make the response more useful. Google also says users can choose which apps are connected and manage those settings themselves. Of course, once a browser can fill forms, click through websites, and help with purchases, security becomes a much bigger concern. Google says auto browse is designed to pause before sensitive actions and ask for confirmation. So if the AI reaches a step like making a purchase or posting something publicly, it should stop and keep you involved. That confirmation step matters because the more control we give AI inside the browser, the more important it becomes to know when the AI is acting on our behalf. So Chrome is starting to look very different from the browser we've used for years. Gemini now sits directly beside your web pages. Auto browse can handle multi-step tasks. UCP could make AI-powered shopping easier, Nano Banana brings image tools into the browser, and personal intelligence can make Gemini more aware of your Google ecosystem. Chrome is no longer just becoming smarter. It's slowly turning into an active assistant that can browse, create, organize, and take action with you. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more updates on AI and technology. And let me know in the comments, would you trust an AI browser to fill forms and shop for you, or would you rather keep those tasks manual? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.